Hey everyone, this is Madhavi Andra and welcome back to my channel Achieve Your Dream. Today in this video we'll be discussing about the bills and acts of women empowerment. So let's get started. Firstly, the bills and acts of empowering the women and children are Surrogacy Regulation Bill, Muslim Women Protection Rights on Marriage Act, Protection of Child from Sexual Offences Amendment Act, Transgender Persons of the Protection of Rights Bill. So first, we'll be discussing about this Surrogacy Regulation Bill. So let's get started. This Surrogacy Regulation Bill was introduced in 2019 under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfares. This was actually passed in Lok Sabha, and this bill is mainly for the ban of commercial surrogacy in India. The main objective of the surrogacy regulation bill is a legal process where the woman agrees for the pregnancy for the artificial methods to give birth to a kid for those parents who cannot conceive, or who cannot people for the couple who cannot have cannot become a parents. So this bill bans this commercial surrogacy where the monetary benefits exceeds the basic medical expenses and the insurance for the surrogate mother. The provisions under this bill are: the bill bans the commercial surrogacy. This bill also regulates the altruistic segregacy, which actually segregate mother receives only the medical expenses and the insurance coverage for during her pregnancy. The protects of the rights of children to born out of this segregacy. And also the Indian couples who are legally married at least for 5 years, then and they cannot who cannot give a birth, then they are only eligible for this surrogacy regulation bill. So between the ages of 23 to 50 years the of age, the wife, and 26 to 55 years of husband are eligible for this altruistic surrogacy, that is provided for the surrogate mother, who should be a close relative. That is very important, should be a close relative. This segregacy is not applicable for singles or homosexuals or living in relationship couples. The segregate mother must be married and should be aged between 25 to 35 years of age and have his own child. Then only this segregate mother is eligible for this those people only can come under the segregacy regulation bill. The woman can only segregate only once in a lifetime. Okay, and that's it for today. And if you like my video, please do like and share my channel, and share the video. Have a great day. Bye bye.